In this video, I'll show you how to turn off push notifications on TikTok. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to open up TikTok. Then we're going to head to your profile right here at the bottom. Now here, you will select the hamburger menu right here at the top, then tap on settings and privacy. Right here under content and display, you're going to see notifications. Go ahead and select it. And you're going to tap on the second option that says push notification schedule. So here you're going to have two options. The first one is to completely turn off push notifications. This way you're not going to receive any unwanted alerts from TikTok during the day. But here you're also going to have the option to set a schedule so you can receive those push notifications on a specific hours during the day. So just in case you want to have them from 11 to maybe, 3 p.m., you can select that. And once you're done, you can simply go back, refresh your page, and now you would automatically have a schedule for your push notifications. But remember that you also have the option to turn them completely off. Hope that helps.